If you're coming from a Windows world and you want to use Control C, Control V to copy and paste, in the Mac world, it's not that easy because you have to use the Command key. If you want to copy something, it will be Command C, Command V. But if you want to change it so that you can be naturally using your Control V and Control C like you used to do it in Windows, this is how you do it. You open up, click on the Apple icon, click on settings, and then you want to scroll all the way down until you see keyboard. And then from here, you want to click on the keyboard shortcut. And from here, you want to scroll all the way down until you see modify or keys. And make sure that your app shortcut right over here, it doesn't have any shortcuts already in here. Otherwise, it's going to overwrite it. So click on the modifier keys. And then from here, you're just going to change two things. Right now, these are the default settings. So your control will become your command, and your command will become your control. So having said that, click on done. So now if I click over here, copy it, doing the Control C, and then Control V, and then I can do Control V, 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 and it'll be just like using the Windows computer with Control C and V. It is that simple.